Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene rings containing a hydroxyl group uses phenol as the parent name, benzenol, with the OH-bearing carbon assigned position 1 and substituents numbered to give lowest locants. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The compound is a benzene ring with an OH group and two methyl groups at the ortho positions relative to OH, i.e., on both carbons directly adjacent to the carbon-bearing OH. Moving on to the next step. Assign the parent name. When OH is present on a benzene ring, the parent chain is phenol or systematically benzenol. The carbon-bearing OH is C1. And for the final step, number the ring. With OH at C1, the two methyl groups are at C2 and C6, both ortho positions. This gives the lowest possible locants for the substituents. Construct the name. The compound is 2,6-dimethylbenzenol or 2,6-dimethylphenol. The IUPAC systematic name is 2,6-dimethylbenzenol. Why other options fail? A. 1,3-dimethylphenol. Incorrect positions. 1. 3 would place methyls at meta positions, not ortho. B. 1-hydroxy, 2,6-dimethylbenzene, not the preferred IUPAC format, or should be expressed as the principal characteristic group giving benzenol suffix, not as a prefix hydroxy when it is the principal group. D. 2-hydroxy, 1,3-dimethylbenzene, treats methyl as the principal group at C1 but OH has higher seniority and should be at C1. Also, the numbering is inconsistent with lowest locant rule when OH is principal group. Option C. 2,6-dimethylbenzenol correctly names the compound with OH as the principal characteristic group, suffix ol, parent benzenol, OH at C1 and methyl groups at C2 and C6. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.